Hey, what's up, mommies and friends? Welcome back to my channel. I'm still here with my guest vlogger, and we're still gonna tour you around in the neighborhood of Dresden. So right now we're here in Bautzen. It's a beautiful city, around 40 minutes drive from Dresden. We're gonna tour in the city center, or what you call the amidst or center. So if you're ready, then let's get started. Those kids! So actually this is the first time that the sun shines. But napakaano pa rin. Still super cold and freezing because of the wind. Bautzen is a hill town on the River Spree and is situated around 50 kilometers east of Dresden, between the Lusatian highland and the lowlands in the north, amidst the region of Upper Lusatia. To the north stretches the Bautzen Reservoir. So ayan na, it's super sunny. So what I really like about here in Bautzen is that all of the structures here are original because they weren't bombed during the World War II, unlike in Dresden. It's mostly reconstructed. So here, you can find the structures in original architectural design. So super ganda yun. Ayan, dito tayo sa main church. Ganda. Ayan. Let me show you. Ayan na si Babeshe. Ayan si Babeshe. Pumasok sila sa church. Hi, Miri. Let's go. Let's go inside the church. Open daw. Quiet. The St. Peter Church is among the oldest and the largest simultaneum churches in Germany. Located in the heart of the city, or Old Town, the church and the square is situated within a major tourist attraction. Look at the chandelier. Gold. And then the organ. So the organ is usually at the back on top. Ayun siya. kleiner Bruder Rasse. So here's the Bautzen Senfstube. Senf is actually mustard. Super famous sila. Yeah, most of our mustard from Dresden, from other part of Germany, is coming from here in Bautzen. Bautzen, sorry. Perfect yung mustard nila for the schnitzel, which is one of the national dish of Germany. Uy, ayan, we're going to the castle.
Bautzen is often regarded as the unofficial but historical capital of Upper Lusatia. The town is also the most important cultural center of the Sorbian minority, which constitutes about 10% of Bautzen's population. Sorbs traditionally speak the Sorbian languages, which are closely related to Polish, Kasubian, Czech, Silesian, and Slovak. Sorbian is an officially recognized minority language in Germany.
Extra challenge yung slide. So mag-slide. Baka pagbaba mo, patay ka na dun. Sa takot niya. Grabe. Taas na. So here's the castle. It's called Ortenburg.
The old part of Bautzen is located on the plateau above the Spree, whose top is marked by the Ortenburg Castle. It is bordered by the city walls. The latter built more recent quarters in the east were enclosed by the city ramparts.
In front of the church. In front of the schloss or the castle. Ang lalim niya, oh my god. Baka malaglag yun. So here in the Wasser Tomb, or water tower, you can find a very nice view. Castle, Miri. Ano lang yan? Tomb. Tower. Galon na mustard. Ayan, so we're back here. Dito na kami sa Beringstrasse. Here's the Rathaus or the City Hall. Nandito lang kami lumitaw sa other side. So, our round tour is over. Uy! May tao din, oh. Sige yan. Mukhang si King Augustus. I-video natin siya. Ayun, actually yan yung mga nagtutour. Nag-walking tour with a guide. And then the guide is yeah, the guide is Augustus the Strong, the famous king in Saxony, Germany. I mean, he's dressed up as the King Augustus. Ayun. And because we don't want to pay, wala kaming pambayad sa tour. Kaya, walking tour na lang kami by ourselves. So we're done with our walking tour. It's just a quick round tour here in the city of Bautzen in Saxony, Germany. So I'm gonna ask my guest brother, how's your experience? Hindi na siya makalakad. Nginig to the bones today. So I think we better go home before she freezes. So if you love videos like this and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon next time. Cheers!